Man, these Italian sweet roast sliders are fire. 4 meats, 3 cheeses, and the Hawaiian sweet rolls. Yes, sir. First thing I did was slice those buns right down the middle. And you want to make sure you slice those as even as possible, because if not, you're going to lose some of the bottom bun, kind of like I did, but I recovered. Next thing I did was start putting down my cheese. I used truffled Gouda, Havarti, and provolone. And for my meats, I used roast beef, ham, pepperoni, and salami. And I put meat on the bottom, the middle, and on the top. Yes, sir. After you layer that up, you want to go ahead and preheat your oven because you're going to want to pop these in. There you go. They're ready to go in. 350 oven for about 15 minutes until all that cheese melt. And once that came out, I went ahead and put them on the broiler for about 1 or 2 minutes, no longer. Then I went and got some butter, a little bit of parsley, and a little bit of garlic powder. And I just lightly brush the tops of the buns because I'm going to pop them back in the oven for 1 or 2 minutes, no longer than that. And voila, there you have it, folks. These are great for game days, birthdays, any days. Super kid friendly, super delicious. For more of my recipes, check me out on a dash of ash. All right, be blessed.